class farm implement gets underway. Jack Bolton from Conklin in a 2010 John Deere, first to make a pass. That's Isaac Green in there making a pass in that big John Deere. Isaac makes it up to 147.85. 147.85. All right, now we are into the unlimited farm class. Jack Bolton from Conklin is in that John Deere. He's making his pass. He's underway before I hardly get a chance to get a word out. Even carrying a passenger inside that John Deere. Still got some room to move in there. He's over 200 feet. 212, 220, 230. Still going. $257.53. $257.53 for Jack Bolton from Conklin. Underway down there as we are down to our final few competitors here. Let's see what Anderson's got. Still cruising, approaching 200, over 200 feet. Still moving at 253, 254, 255, 259.58 for Anderson. 259.58. Here comes the winner. Wow, that's some power right there. Look at the size of that beauty. Woo! Still crawling along at 230. Keep going, Pete. Come on, Pete. Set a world record, Pete. 284.41. 284.41 for the winner. Moves him into the number one spot. The 2+2 International. Dan Momber going to make his pass here momentarily. We'll see what he's got for us here as he gets ready to roll, and we are off. $160.13, 160.13 for the Momber. Building up some steam. It's Vanderwerf driving for Stream in the New Holland. $240, keep going, $250. Let's hear you out there, Sparta. Make a little noise. $275, $278.70, $278.70 for Vanderwerf driving for Stream. Do what you can to help out with the trash. I hear you. Do what you can to help pick up the trash around here. We certainly appreciate the help. The grounds crew is grateful for you taking just a couple of minutes to pick up any trash that you see around you, even out on the track. Once we get the track clear, head on out there and do a little pickup. If you're on the hill, make sure you pick up around your immediate area as well. And a big thanks to the Sparta Fire Department for being out here today. Can I get a round of applause for our first responders here in Sparta? Great people spending their Sunday afternoon out here to make sure everybody's safe and sound. Our thanks to the Sparta Police and Fire for being a part of Pullin on the Ridge. 284.70. The run for Shepard, 284.70. Yep, John Deere tractor dealers all helped out. Here comes Peter DeWinter, our last pull of the day. The unlimited farm class. DeWinter is on his way. At 130 and struggling. 140 still doing it. 150.82, 150.82, your final time of the afternoon for Pete DeWinter.
Thank you for watching this video. Please do us a huge favor and subscribe if you've not done so already. And if you can, please give us a nice comment and a thumbs up for the video. And also, we are trying to hit 1,000 subscribers really soon, so please help us out by sharing this channel with others that you think that might enjoy it. Thanks a lot.